Hi, I am Kushi, and I want to show you I want to share with you my experience with this headphones from Sennheiser. I'll also make this video in Hindi. हिंदी में भी ये वीडियो बनाऊंगी जिसको देखना है वो हिंदी वाला भी देख सकते हैं. So about this headphones, I am a little bit about me. I am not like a tech bro. I'm not, investigating too much into like technologies and stuff. I need headphones that work, are comfortable and durable enough that I don't have to keep purchasing them every 2 3 years. Like I want it to last and I want them to be comfortable. So I hated this because first, it's not comfortable. At the top, it hurts my head at the top. But it's still fine. Like I would still keep it because I have like 1 hour, 2 hour calls at most in a week. So wearing these for like a few hours is okay. The big problem is the battery drainage. The product turned out to be defective. And what happened was Sennheiser got bought out by this company called Sonovo. And I think the quality and everything dropped. So this one is a defective headphone. What happened, I bought it on Amazon. And they said that you can't return it, but you can get replacement and it says like replacement only. So I bought it thinking, if there's a fault, whatever, like Amazon's going to take care of it, whatever. And then I placed the order. I got it within not, I didn't even I didn't even use it fully. It's been 7 days, not even that, like 6 days. And I was on a call, the battery was at 70%, and it told me turning off, power up, power zero, and it just died in the middle of a call while at 70% battery. So I took it off and I, used my like different headphones and mic and stuff. It was a hassle because the only reason I bought it is because I have problems with my existing headphones and mic. So I bought it and out of like urgency. And um and cool. Now battery got drained out and all these issues. This is also fine. Tech products have issues. I get it. What I want is a quick resolution and something that can be solved quickly and efficiently without taking up too much of my time. So I put it back on charge overnight and I said, you know what, I'll just charge it. I woke up in the morning, the battery was still at 70%. Remember, it dropped off at 70 and it's still at 70. So that kind of sucks. Let me see where this so that kind of sucks. And which means I can't use it. Like there's a battery problem. So I reached out to Amazon saying like, hey, it's within your 7 day period. Can you help? And they said the only thing that we can really help with is you should contact the customer support of Sennheiser. Amazon's answer to me was, we don't know, but we can help you in the way that you can contact Sennheiser's customer support. I was like, then why did I buy through you if I had to like really inevitably call the company? You're useless to me as an aggregator then. Um, so that happened. And then I called up Sennheiser. Uh, First of all, the number that Amazon gave me was didn't work. So I found another number online, their Mumbai branch. They made me go through a very long like application. Like they were on the call, they were like, go click here, go create a report, do this, do that. And I did that. They're like, the only thing that you can actually really do is bring this product, courier this product to Delhi. It's going to take 10 days for us to evaluate, investigate, do stuff, and we will courier it back to you. So I do the packaging. I have to take literally I have to take printouts with the problems that I have, the invoice, the things like multiple printouts. And so the problem with that is they asked me to fill a form live on the call when I did. And they told me, Kushi, that we will send you an email after 15 minutes. Whatever email you get, you take a printout of that email also and you send it to us in the courier. It's been hours and I still haven't received any follow-up email from them. So so I am not going to courier. Like I don't have that kind of useless time in my life to sit and courier all the way to Delhi and wait for 10 days when I know I have important calls to attend and I have important like really I'm not going to spend like 5 hours 300 400 rupees going to the post office figuring out which courier service is going to do things like I don't even have their address yet um for the Delhi branch. So I wasted like 5,000 rupees on this. If anybody wants for free, y'all can take it. But yeah, it's not a good company anymore. The in terms of comfort, this ear pad turned out to be much smaller. Like my ears aren't even that big, like it's small. It's not like I have large ears or anything, but these ones are much smaller than I'd expected. Um, and but it's fine. Like I don't care too much about that. Like I have like a few hours worth of calls. That's okay. The worst thing is if accidentally your product turns out defective, forget your money. Otherwise, spend like 3 4 hours plus a few hundred rupees to courier it, get it back, do that call coordination thing with them, re-explain the problem to them like 5 times. It's painful. I would recommend not to get Sennheiser because that kind of support. If you're in Mumbai, I think it's fine because they have like a service center in Mumbai, but and Delhi, obviously. But rest of India, don't get these. Boat also I've had a bad experience with, but if you have some level of like service around you, Amazon has this thing called like service center replacement only, which they changed after I purchased this product. It was not there. It was not clear that I would have to email and I'll have to do this and that and this. Like it's 5,000 rupees. I'm not going to spend 10 hours figuring it out and lose my peace of mind for it. So, especially for a the intent is not clear. Like if I would have that intent where they want to help and they're doing all that they can to help, it would make sense. If they were doing like pickup and stuff, they're not doing any of it. They're like, it's your problem now. You've bought it. Amazon's only the aggregator. And I called up Amazon again and I said, hey, listen, there is like some issue with your thing. Like they're not even refusing me service, but they're making me through do all sorts of nonsense. I am just appalled that y'all can do nothing. Like, please don't let people buy this or make it clear. Like, if you're not in Mumbai, this is the process that you'd have to go through if you purchase. And they're like, we can't do that. We've already done a lot of investigation on our end. And if a company says that they will provide the service, then we can't do anything about it. We can't really sit and personalize every single field. And I'm like, obviously, I wouldn't tell them that you can personalize, but it's not hard. Like you just have to use custom variables and liquid for each brand. But there's no intention to protect consumers. There's no intention to help. You're much better off buying it from a local electronic store, which you can call and say, hey, listen, your product's not working, fix it. And they are more likely to do something than these aggregators will. Tech wise, I have bought so much from Amazon and I feel like it's always been like 50% of the times it's been a waste of money. So or it doesn't appear what it looks like. Like I bought curtains, it turned out bad. Like it doesn't, and you can't do anything. They're stopping the return policies. They're doing, just changing a lot of stuff. So I would say Sennheiser, no. Don't get it. My brother got it. I just wanted to make a quick decision and I just wanted to go with the best seller. So I made that decision and went ahead. It didn't turn out good. So that's it for now. I hope this experience helps. I really tried making sure Amazon would add some level of disclaimer in their um, on their site, uh, but it's just not like no one's doing anything about it. So I thought I'd just make this quick video, and whoever manages to watch it, hopefully it's helpful to you. Thank you. Bye. Now I have to make it in Hindi also.